5 bizarre creatures you never knew existed. Axolotl, a cute salamander that can regenerate its limbs and even its spinal cord. Blobfish, a deep-sea fish with a squishy appearance that makes it look like a melting gelatin dessert. Ai, a lemur with freakishly long fingers that it uses to dig out grubs from tree bark. Naked mole rat, a blind, wrinkly, hairless rodent that lives in underground colonies and can survive long periods without oxygen. Shoebill, a large stork-like bird with a distinctive shoe-shaped bill and a menacing stare.